Hey guys, I'm CClaxton from Something Light Media, and today I'm going to show you how I edit my pictures. So first, let's select one. Let's do this one right here. And this picture is from one of my latest shoots. So first, we're going to change the lighting, so the exposure. We're going to raise it up till it looks pretty good. So let's do 126. The contrast is going to go up as well. Let's do 6. Highlights down because we don't want the picture to be too bright. We'll do negative, say 53. Boom. Now shadows, gonna bump those up. Next, we're going to lower the blacks. Boom. Now we can move on to the color. So first, we're gonna make a custom temperature. So we're gonna lower the temperature to -10. The tint we're going to raise to 10. And, 11. Same thing. Vibrance, which is the color of the picture itself, you can see it change. We're going to go up to 16. And saturation, we're going to bump it up by 5. Now for the color mix, we're going to raise the reds to 100%. We're going to raise the yellows to 100%. Next is effects. We're going to bump the clarity by 5, bump the dehaze by 10, vignetting. Ooh, I'm going to go negative. 14 is pretty good, right? We'll do -9. Neve, I'm recording. Can you go, please?
No. So I just...
Neve, I'm recording. Okay, look, take it. Go.
Thank you.
No problem.
I need to get my shoes.
That's very nice. I like them.
I need to get my shoes
Take them off. Grandma will help you, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so go to Grandma. Let's keep going. So next is the details. You're going to sharpen the image a little bit. Let's do 20. We're going to raise the noise reduction just to get the image nice and smooth. 12 looks pretty good. We'll do up a little bit more. Let's do 15. The color noise reduction as well. And now, I don't know if you see this right here next to the window, next to the curtain. It's like these red little blobs. Gotta get rid of that. So we're gonna use the selective tool. We're just gonna color over the blobs real quick. And then we are going to lower the saturation. And because these blobs are over the window, it doesn't really make a difference to the image. You can't really notice it, that these spots right here don't have as much color as everywhere else. Right now I'm just layering the saturation, well, the desaturation over that area. This should be the last one. I think that's pretty good. So next we are going to decrease the texture on her skin. So back to selective edits. We're just gonna color over the skin just to give it that nice smooth look, because the camera enhances everything. So let's just get that arm in. Doesn't have to be perfect. Let's see, effects, texture down, clarity down. That's pretty good. Now let's replicate that on her skin. So I'm gonna shade in her face a little bit. Bear with me. Almost there. This video may be a bit long, but I'm also almost done. So boom, That should be good. I'm gonna lower the texture a little bit. You can see how her face is smoothing out. Let's decrease the clarity a little bit. I think we're looking pretty good. Oops, should not have done that. And now I'm gonna do a little bit of blemish covering. You know, she has really great skin. But you know, just to up the photography game a little bit. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Something on her eyebrow. I think we're pretty much good. This is the after. This is before. After. Before. After. Before. Let me know what you guys think.